Tired of your ordinary backyard? Imagine a space that feels like a private oasis, a place to unwind, entertain, and connect with nature. In this video, we'll explore the latest trends in contemporary modern patio design, offering you inspiration to transform your outdoor space into a luxurious retreat. A minimalist approach is a popular choice for modern patios. By focusing on essential elements and eliminating clutter, you create a serene and inviting atmosphere. Think clean lines, simple furniture, and neutral colors. Less is often more when it comes to modern design. Incorporate natural materials to bring warmth and texture to your patio. Wood, stone, and plants can create a harmonious and inviting space. Consider using wood for decking, stone for flooring or walls, and lush greenery for landscaping. The combination of natural elements and modern design can create a stunning and timeless look. Create functional and comfortable outdoor living areas to cater to your lifestyle. A cozy seating area is a must-have for relaxation, while a dining area is perfect for entertaining guests. Consider adding an outdoor kitchen for convenient cooking and grilling. Choose furniture that is both stylish and durable. And don't forget to add comfortable cushions and pillows for added comfort. Water features can add a touch of tranquility and elegance to your patio. A fountain can create a soothing sound, while a pond can attract wildlife and add a natural element. For a truly luxurious experience, consider adding an infinity pool. The seamless transition between the pool and the surrounding landscape can create a breathtaking effect. Proper lighting is essential for creating a magical ambiance in your backyard. Choose outdoor lighting that complements your patio's design and provides both functional and decorative illumination. Consider using string lights to create a warm and inviting glow, or spotlights to highlight specific features. For a more dramatic effect, incorporate LED lighting that can change colors or patterns. Landscaping can transform your backyard into a lush and inviting oasis. Choose plants that are suitable for your climate and complement the overall design of your patio. Consider adding trees for shade, shrubs for privacy, and colorful flowers to add a pop of color. Don't forget to create pathways and walkways to guide visitors through your space. Create a space for entertaining guests with features like fire pits, outdoor bars, or outdoor movie screens. A fire pit is perfect for gathering around on cool evenings, while an outdoor bar adds a touch of sophistication. For a truly memorable experience, set up an outdoor movie screen and enjoy a film under the stars. Ensure privacy in your backyard by adding privacy screens or hedges. These can create a more intimate and relaxing atmosphere. Consider using bamboo, lattice panels, or trellises to add a touch of natural beauty while providing privacy. By incorporating these elements, you can create a backyard retreat that is both stylish and functional. Remember to personalize your space with your own unique touches. Enjoy your new outdoor oasis. We'd love to hear your favorite backyard and patio design inspiration in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll love this next one.